Don't be in a hurry, sabi nga ni Enteng eh. Just enjoy life, di ba? Puros kayo nagmamadali. Oh, smile, smile, smile. Okay, smile ngayon, smile ngayon. Learn to smile. Yes, now you can walk. Okay, now you can walk. Okay, obey na kayo, obey na, obey na. Now you can walk. Because we are going to Macau from Hong Kong. And we are taking a ferry. And on the way home, pare? On the way home, pare, ano plano?
Take the bus.
Take a bus. Okay. That's Enteng Francisco. Okay, the group is ready. Okay, yes. So the idea is to take the boat and then a bus going home. And that's our team leader, Rafi Di Malanta. Oh, picture ulit, pare. Picture ulit. Ay, may hindi kayo sa picture eh. Oh, picture ulit. Hindi na. Lalong mas matagal pagkasama ko. Smile. Okay. So this is the view from the outside. So, Macau is the destination. Ready to depart.
See you in Macau, guys.
Yes. Mapupuno yung boat ah. Okay, picture boy. Okay, smile. Okay, Enteng. Berna, look here. Okay. All right. Okay. Smile. So let's look for our chairs. And here's boy. Oh, pare, ngiti. Smile na, pare. Oh, smile. Okay. Everybody look here. Okay. Oh, ang ganda. Smile. Boy, lunch na. Sarap ng kinakain natin, pare. Fast foods lang to, ha? Oh, goose for lunch, oh. 130 Hong Kong. Okay, bichik mas masarap eh. Pork ba yan, bichik?
Barbecue pork.
Oh, barbecue pork. Looks good. Rafi, goose ka rin pare, no? Ha? Goose din. Okay.
Very good.
Ayos. Si Enteng, anong kinuha niya pare? Enteng sa'yo, ha? Pork barbecue. Very good. Ayos. How's it, Enteng? Very good ba? Okay. Erna, anong kinuha mo? Ano yan?
Chicken.
Ha?
Chicken at saka pork.
Chicken and pork. Okay.
Isang order natin dapat dalawang pareho.
Evelyn, anong in-order mo? Anong order mo?
What's this?
Beef.
Chicken rice with chicken and beef.
Okay. Oh, mukhang masarap ha?
Masarap. Freshly cooked.
Meron pang kasamang soup oh. Wow. That's good food ha? Eto, dito kami kumain. Talagang wow. Super sarap ng kanyang goose. Oh, yan ang pala, no? Ano, did you enjoy your meal?
Yeah.
Oh, good ha? Very good food ha? Ikaw boy, sarap pagkain mo?
Okay yung goose, pare.
Ayos. Very good. Teng, how's your meal? Was it good? Masarap ba?
Absolutely.
Oh, yan ang gusto ko sa'yo.
Absolutely.
Yes, ang sarap ng pagkain dito. Fast foods lang to, ha?
Yes.
Very good.
Fast and cheap.
Yes. Panay turo ka ng pagkain, Rafa. Enjoy ka ba sa pagkain mo? Masarap ba yung goose? Masarap?
The best.
The best, no? Okay. Eh, China kasi. Sa picture, itong goose na to, mukhang hindi masarap. Raf, yan yung nakasabit. Diyan tayo umorder, oh. Di ba? Sarap talaga niya. Sa picture, hindi mukhang masarap, pero yan, masarap, oh. Si Rafi pala, mahilig talaga sa goose. Pag mga nakasabit na ganyan, talagang masarap. Bichik, okay ba yung lunch mo? Nice? Good lunch? Good lunch, ha? Okay, good. Oh, pipicturean pa, oh. Ha? Ng asawa. Oh boy, how's the food? And Evelyn? Okay, ha? So we start our tour around Macau, and after the what do you call this? Our trip from the sea, which took us less than 2 hours, we had to get a free shuttle bus, and That's my group. Yes, they're happy. They're all smiling. So this is the new area or the new island where they constructed the newest how should I call it, casinos, because I'm not really into casino, but this is the place where you go for Macau. And the old one, the old Macau, are basically you will see there the old casinos like the Grand Lisboa. So we just reached Galaxy, the most famous casino. However, we didn't stop because we were inside the bus. So now this bridge is actually connecting to the oldest part of Macau, where you can still find, oh, there you can see on the foreground the Grand Lisboa and also the winds. And this is an observation tower. If you want to see the whole of Macau, you can do so. Yes, we're going right there. It's an iconic building built, I think, by Stanley Ho, the rich guy from I think he's from Hong Kong, or definitely he's Chinese. So he's one of the richest guys, and he must have made Macau very, very famous. So we are almost in the area of Grand Lisboa, and we have to drop here because it's the bus we chose. Wow, look, that's a very beautiful facade, by the way, and we're already on the driveway. So now we're going to enter and take a look at the intricate I would say intricate paintings. No, not paintings, but mostly what they have here inside. Yes, like gold, ivory, and that's Boy and Evelyn. We're about to enter, and because the reason why we came here is because we wanted to go to the ruins of St. Paul's, and after seeing the ruins of St. Paul's, we're going to the Galaxy Casino. Okay, so enjoy what you see with your eyes. Oh, yeah. Ito yung mga unang-unang mga hotel pa eh. Kumbaga sa sa Las Vegas, ang tawag doon yung dulong-dulo. Yung strip. Oh, yung old Las Vegas, parang ito yun eh. Parang ito yung old Las Vegas. Ganda rin, no? A free shuttle going to Grand Lisboa. Ang ganda naman yan, no? Wow. Beautiful, ha? Sculpture ba yan? Hindi. Ano, pagganda na paggawa nito. Oh, elegant pa rin ang Grand Lisboa. Oh, wow, ang gaganda ng mga naka-display. Mga rito, mga furnishing, so sobrang ganda. Ito, gusto niya kuna, no? Wow, ang gaganda. So finally, nakarating kami sa Senado. Dito, number 1 tourist destination ng Macau. At dito mo makikita yung St. Paul's na ruins. Talaga naman, maganda siya. O, Enteng, kaya pa pare. Ito na yung Senado na to. Ano?
Picture muna tayo.
Ayaw ba nyo umupo muna?
Okay, let's
Ha? Yun nga lang, kailangan yung walang araw. Sige. Sama-sama na kayo, ako nang bahala. Bichik, sama-sama na. Enteng, sama-sama na. Ayan, ang ganda. Okay. Alright. Okay. Si Enteng, malayo si Enteng. Okay, lapit pa na konti, Enteng. Okay, smile. Okay. Alright. Okay, so eto na si Senado. O, anong meron? Anong meron? Anong meron? May balita ba? May balita? May balita ba? May balita? Anong meron? Anong meron?
Picture.
Ito yung gagandang lalaki nyo.
Of course.
Mga
Thank
high
you.
school graduate ng Ateneo de Manila.
Yeah.
Di ba?
That was 50 years ago.
Oo nga, 50 years
Going
na ba?
50, yeah.
Oh, going 50 pala.
Going 50 next year.
Oo nga, oo nga. Yung Senado, eto maganda to sa gabi. Well lighted.
Kuha mo kami, rolling ball.
Oh, ready? Ayan. Oh. Sold na. Ayan, daming dumadaan eh. Oh. Okay, oh, ready? Ayan, wala na. Ready, smile. Okay. Okay, so mula rito sa Senado, pagpapasok ka ng mga side streets, ayan. Yan ang makikita mo, mga prutas. No, mahilig pala si Bichik sa prutas. Mahilig sa prutas.
Tanay na nasasanay na.
Okay, lakad na naman ang grupo. Ayan, pag libre, syempre. Free taste. Sarap ba yung free taste? Ah, masarap ah. Ano meron dyan? Ano meron dyan? Ah, egg tart. So pag nagpunta ka ng Senado, kailangan marami kang cash or pambayad kasi panay shopping ang meron dito. Yes. Kung mag-shopping, maraming kainan. Pare, okay dito, nakaupo na ako. Ah, libre na Enteng yan? Ah, salamat, tikman ko yan. Enteng, libre mo yan, pare?
The best.
Ah, ilang libo yan, pare?
My treat to my soul friends.
Wow. Magkano isang egg tart?
1,000.
1,000?
Joke.
Ang mahal naman. Nasaan na si Rafi?
10.
Ha? Wala si Rafi?
It's 10. $10.
Ah, 10. Okay. Oh, boy, smile kayong dalawa. Abang kumakain ng egg tart. Oh, abang kumakain ng egg tart, pare. Di bali may laway. Okay, okay lang.
Hindi pala eh.
Okay lang yung may laway, pare.
Pero hindi pa di uwi, no?
Ha?
Hindi mag-expire daw.
Oh. Bichik, sama ka na, oh. Okay. Okay, oh. Yun, okay. Laki ng bite. Oh, oh. Pare,
You did try the egg
egg tart? Hindi. Mamaya.
It's the best in Macau.
Pagtiran mo ako, Berna, ng egg tart. Oh, sige. Yan. Kita mo naman yung asawa ko, pagtitira ako niyan. Right, posing na yung mga gusto magpakuha ng picture. Oh, Enteng. Oh, Berna. Oh, ready. Aba, okay. Action. Okay, more shopping. Nag-i-enjoy si Bichik ah. Nag-i-enjoy lahat kayo ah. Yes. Itong nagtitinda, mukhang masarap yung binibenta niya. Matamis yata. Guma, tofu. Ah, mukhang masarap oh. Ah, masarap nga. Talaga sa any parts of China, whether Hong Kong or Macau, ang pagkain masarap. Oh, wow, paraming tao. Sus. Shopping on the left, shopping on the right. Food on the left, food on the right. Talaga. Kaya na itong Senado, pinapasyalan talaga eh. Kasi nga, dami ng pagkain, may shopping pa, may ice cream ka pa. Masaya yung mga Chinese eh. Oh. Saka hindi sila namimilit. Ang daming free food eh. Oh. Daming free food eh. Kahit di ka na mag-lunch o dinner, tikim-tikim mo lang, busog ka na. Tulad niya, no? Libre tikim. Panay libre. Ano, masarap, sarap, 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 sarap. Oh, busog na si Bichik sa libre. Oh. Ha? Sarap, sarap, sarap. Pre. Kaya pa. Kanya maraming tao. Galing sila sa St. Paul's Ruins. Ayun, oh, nasa harap ko na. Si St. Paul's Ruins. Yan ang talagang pinupunta rito ng mga tao. Kaya na, siyempre, dadaan ka ng Senado, kukuha ka ng mga pagkain na libre, yan. Pagkatapos, lakad ka, tapos dito ka magpapa-Instagram, magpapa-picture. Ayan, si St. Paul's Ruins. Sikat na yan sa mga Instagram na boy. Ayan pare, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan na si St. Paul's Ruins. Yan ang sikat eh. Yan ang pinapasyalan dito eh. Di ba? Oh. Pero yan, meantime, yan mga tao. Okay, so buti na lang. Hindi pa umuulan. At kapal ng tao. Shopping pa rin, left and right, oh. Berna. Shopping talaga kahit saan shopping. Ayun na si Enteng, oh. Pare, ayan na. Ayan na yung highlight. Si Ruins ni St. Paul's. Yan ang pinaka-highlight ng trip natin, pare. Yung casino is just part of it. But that's the reason why dami nagpupunta rito. Yes. Talagang Instagrammable tong area na to. Yes, sino kaya tong dalawang to? Okay, ganda. Beautiful sight. St. Paul's, the ruins of St. Paul's. Posing kayong tatlo. Posing kayong tatlo. Berna. Yan. Yan. Ganda. Yes. Yan. Okay, isa pa. Wow, ganda. Okay. Alright. Nice. Angle. Pare, upo rin kayo. Pagod na rin kayo. Enteng, may tatanong ako sa'yo. Kanina ka pa nagpipicture eh. Nasaan ka ngayon?
Macau.
Hindi, alam ko nasa Macau ka. Anong part ng Macau?
The ruins.
The ruins of whom?
Huh?
Ruins of whom?
Macau.
Ruins of Macau.
St. Paul.
St. Paul. Ayan si Boy, oh. Yung asawa niya, oh. Panay kain. Ayun, kumakain na naman yung asawa, oh. Ayan. Ako, patay tayo pag nalaman ni Evelyn, kinukuha ko ng video. Anong kwento ni...
1600.
Oh, 1600.
1600. It was built
Oh.
by the Jesuits.
Dito ka pare, para mas maganda. Jesuits pa rin gumawa niyan.
Jesuits ang gumawa. That was in the 1600. around 1602 to 1640.
Wow. Ilang years ago na yun, pare?
That was more than 400 years ago.
Wow, 400 years ago.
Diba?
Okay.
Oh, diba?
Tell me more, tell me more.
It was built in the 1600s by the Jesuits, and it was destroyed by fire.
By
Fire
fire.
in 1835.
Sandali.
The cause of the fire was a typhoon.
Hindi, pag tinignan mo siya, parang poste na, parang isang face na lang eh. So,
Oh,
simbahan
fasad na
pala
lang
yan.
Fasad na lang yan. That's a church actually.
Church.
Yeah.
The Church of St. Paul's pala yan.
Isa sa pinakamalaking church daw dito no at that time.
Okay. Alam mo kung anong reason bakit ginawa yan?
Hindi, yung mga Jesuits, di ba? They mga missionaries yan eh. So they go around the world and they build churches. And
Okay,
they're also known
last
for-
question. Anong taon na sunog?
1835.
Ba? 1835? Ang
Sakto,
galing.
Galing.
Galing ni Rafi. That's the husband of Bichik de Malanta. Ang galing.
course.
I'll give you an A for religion.
Of course.
Galing.
That's
Thank you.
history actually.
Yes, thank you,
Alright.
Rafi. Thank
Any
you,
more
Rafi.
questions, Mr. Braun?
I think no more questions. Ayaw kita mapahiya eh. Baka meron ka hindi masagot eh.
It's okay.
Okay.
No problem. Thanks for
Alright.
having me.
Thank you.
This is Rafi Di Malanda reporting from Macau.
Ayan! Right. Yung munang mag-asawa kukunan natin, syempre. Okay. Kung ito pare, built 400 years ago, ilang taon na kayong kasal?
42 years.
Oh wow, galing. Oh, smile na, smile. Tagal nyo nang kinasal pala eh.
Yes,
Ayos.
sir.
Yan. O, kayo munang dalawa. Dito sa aking Samsung. Gitna ng konti. Yan. Yan. Yan na ba yung pinaka-best smile nyo? Yes! Okay. Alright. Join them na. Okay.
It was built by the Jesuits.
Alright. Pare, just to let you know, that's built by the Jesuits.
A pleasure.
And you're Ateneo. Ateneo boy. Oh, Evelyn. Oh, dito ka Bern, sa gitna. Oh, dapat yung mga Atenista pare alam to eh. Built by the Jesuits. Okay. All right, ang ganda oh. All right. Give me a good smile. Very good. Okay, ayos na. Oh, sige, sino kukuha ng picture? Yan, nagugutom na sila oh. Papa-picture na. Pare don't forget, this was built by the Jesuits.
When?
1600 years ago.
Long time.
Pare, 1600 years ago.
Can't believe it.
Yeah, you can believe it?
It's still standing.
Yes. We have to be proud
Thank
because
God,
we are Athenians. Oh, yan.
Lapit lang naman eh.
Oh. Tayo na, Berna. Let's go. Okay, let's go, boy. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go. Okay, so again, 1600 years ago when this was built. And a lot of people come here just to have it photographed, but they don't know the history behind St. Paul's ruins. And it was burned 1800. Okay? So next time you come here, try to understand the history of the ruins by St. Paul's. Oh, isa pang picture, kayong tatlo. Okay, smile. Okay, all right, good. Yung tinatanong ni Evelyn oh, yan. Yung tower na yan. Oh, yan si Berna. Nakatayo kasama si Rafi at si Enteng. Wala na. Pagod na. Yun, peace sign. Si Boy, malakas pa. Yun, si Rafi, naka-shades. Kumakaway-kaway pa kahit nakatayo. Ha? Yan, observation tower yan pare. Ito yung bridge pare. Kino-connect niya tayo sa kabilang island na. From old to new. Ayos ka dyan, ha? Okay, let's go down.
Alright.
Okay, time to go down.
Ating Galaxy.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Pare, ayan yung Galaxy sa likuran nyo. Yes.
That is the biggest
Oh, sige pare, sabihin mo nga,
and
turo mo.
latest
Latest hotel.
hotel in Macau.
Yes. Dinig mo, Enteng? Dinig mo yung sinabi ni Rafi? Okay, okay. Alright, kayo ba ready to walk na? Okay. So now we are going to explore the famous Galaxy of Macau. Yes. Everything in gold. Biggest casino resort according to Rafi. Tama ba, Rafi? In the world, ha? Si Rafi, maraming alam niya si Rafi, ha? Totoo, mas malaki pa sa Las Vegas, Raf, no? Yes, and we're going to explore right now. Ano, boy? Pagod? Pagod na. Yan. Pagod na, pare. Yung asawa mo, pagod na. Kiss mo. Para mawala yung pagod. Di ba? Boy, kiss mo para mawala yung pagod. Naglabasan na sila. Yan, no? Ganda ng gardens. Wow! Look at that. Enteng, sanay ka sa Las Vegas, eh. Anong first impression mo rito, pare? What's your first impression?
Magnificent.
Magnificent, yes.
Tourist friendly.
Oo nga, maganda talaga siya. Sa labas pa lang, maganda na eh. Yes, we're going inside the lobby. Oh, ang ganda. O yan, ha? Nasa Galaxy kayo, pare, ha? Galaxy of the Stars here in Macau. Smile! Right. Ayos na ba yung mga smile nyo? Ayos na ba? Praktisado na kayo mag-smile. Okay, one more smile. 3, 2, 1. Sandali, may dumaan. Oh, action. Okay, so we're going to enter the Galaxy with my friends and classmates since 50 years ago, pare.
50 years ago.
Yeah, yes,
That
boy,
was
no?
almost 50 years ago.
Yes.
That was in 1975 when we graduated.
Pare, ito bang Galaxy na puntahan mo na?
No, this is my first time
Oh,
actually.
ito yung unang show. What do you think of it?
Ganda. Very impressive.
Impressive talaga, no?
Oo, ganda.
Meron ka
nice.
bang nakitang ganyan sa Las Vegas?
Most of the casinos in Las Vegas, more on fountain yung nakikita ko sa kanila eh.
Yun na nga, oh. Ayan,
Diba?
si Paring Boy, oh. Kasama si Evelyn. Talagang ganado sila magpa-picture taking dito, eh, oh.
Correct eh.
Alam mo, impressive talaga itong ginawa ng Galaxy. Pero sigurado ka, sabi mo, biggest ito, biggest.
Could be. One of the biggest casinos in the world.
Okay naman. Kayo naman
Oh,
yung
galing na
big
tayo
check,
sa
oh.
casino, di ba? Galing ka na ng Las Vegas, nakita mo.
Correct.
Oh,
Oo.
very impressive.
Ang ganda ng kuha nyo ni Bichek, oh.
Yeah.
With all the lights.
I think it's because of the person taking the picture and the video.
Hindi, alam mo, impressive din yung Samsung, eh.
Ayun.
Because you can take video and photo, so there is no repetition. O, pare, si Paring Enteng.
Uy, Mr.
Oo,
Enteng yan ah.
si Enteng,
Gandang
oh.
lalaki ah.
Yeah.
Oo.
Pero parang hindi napagod, no?
Oo.
Nauna pa ako napagod kay Enteng, eh.
Palagay ko may ininom yan pare.
Yeah. Alam mo, dalawa tong show, eh. Meron pa tayong isang pupuntahan na isa. But before that, magpa-group picture muna tayo. No?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Alam mo, once in a while, linaligan ko ng voicing, eh. Kasi pag walang voicing, parang nakakasawa panoorin.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Right.
ito kasi, hindi ako nagko-commentary. So, yung boses natin ang papasok.
Yeah.
And it's much more interesting, no?
Yeah.
Alam mo,
Sir Francisco, halika dito.
Oo nga, oo. Wala, pagod na siya. Pagod na. So, sabi nga niya, after that, sabi niya, pare, uwi na tayo. Sabi naman ni Bernard, hindi, may isa pa eh.
Oo nga.
May isa pa, uwi ka na. Pero kita mo yung entrada nung lobby na yan. Ang ganda, oh. Iba talaga eh. Talagang high-end ang dating. Kanya to, sabi ni Paring Boy, picturean mo nga kami. Sabi ko, sige, sobrang high-end eh. Oh.
Ayan,
Ito na
ayan
ngayon.
yan.
Ito na.
Yun ang Diamond Lobby.
Ito yung Diamond Lobby.
Oo, yung kanina crystal ang tawag nila. Crystal Lobby. Yan, diamond.
Yes, yes. Pero ano mas maganda para
Mas
sa'yo?
impressive sa akin yan.
Yung diamond?
Diamond, tingnan mo.
Ibang klase,
Ibang
no?
klase ang pagkagawa niyan. Makikita natin.
Sa mga tao, sino kayang nag-design yan? Ano kaya tawag sa kanila?
Hindi ko...
Ha?
Hindi
Hindi mo alam, ano?
Hindi ko
Hindi
alam.
naman pwedeng arkitekto yan. Hindi
Hindi
naman
yan.
trabaho ng arkitekto yan, no?
Hindi yan.
Oo,
Hindi
pero
yan.
sino kayang gumawa niyan? Yan ang nakakapagtaka, ano?
Oo.
AI? Sabi ni parang Enteng, AI. Ayan, pare, oh. Umaakyat nga tayo yung diamond, eh, oh.
Parang ano yun eh, parang yung mga gumagawa ng theme parks eh. Sa Disneyland, sa Universal.
Anong
eh.
tawag sa kanila?
Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag.
Hindi
nila.
mo alam.
Isipin ko pare ha.
Sige, anyway, ito
Basta
talaga.
mga artists
Oo.
yan.
Kanya ito, tinanggal ko yung music kasi binaban ako ng ng Facebook pag may music eh. So imbis na music, yung ating commentary na lang.
Okay, good.
Okay.
O, tinan mo pare oh.
Ha?
Ganda no?
Impressive, ano?
Oo. Sa ilaw pa lang eh.
Ga-
Ayun na, yun na yung big yun yung
yan
diamond.
na yung
Yun,
diamond.
yun.
Oo. Yung kanina, crystal.
Crystal yun.
Ito, parang sayang, hindi ko marinig yung music nito, tsaka bawal eh. Bawal sa Facebook, saka sa
Ganun ba?
YouTube. O, ano bang nito? Ano bang ginawa dito? Pinaakyat yung diamond.
Pinakakit yung diamond galing sa baba.
Galing sa baba. Anong storya kaya nito? Inakyat, saan papaabutin?
Doon sa gitna, yan, para makita na ng tao, no? Galing,
Yun.
siguro ang significance yan, galing sa salupa,
Yeah.
biglang umangat, di ba? Eh, ganun ang
Di ba?
diamond eh. Minamay ng diamond sa lupa, eh, di ba?
Oo nga,
Tapos sa
oo
akin,
nga,
di ba?
oo,
Oh, yun.
oo. Yan yata ang diamond ng pinakamahal na jewelry, no? O may mas mahal pa dyan?
Yan na yata. eh.
Yan na.
Meron pa bang iba?
Wala na siguro.
Ang laking diamond yan, pare.
Oo
Oh.
nga, oo.
Ang impressive dyan, wala kang makikita paano siya umangat eh. Nakita mo? Wala kang nakikita parang cable na ino-hoist siya eh. Pataas eh. Wala.
Correct. Oo, napuna ko nga yun eh. O,
Napuna
yan,
mo,
oh.
wala, di ba?
Oo nga, oo.
Oo,
So,
y-
paano kaya hindi
ang
naman
galing,
pwedeng hangin yan, ano?
Oo nga, ang galing na pagkagawa eh.
So, anong tingin mo? Paano umakyat?
Parang may ginamit siguro sila dyan na na invisible something, you know?
Yeah. Tsaka ang ganda niya, yung lights, oh.
Mm.
Oh. Tapos
Ayan,
sinabayan pa ng fountain, oh.
Mm.
Ganda talaga niya, oh.
Yeah.
Ito yata, every 1 hour yata ang show na to. Eh.
Swerte tayo, no? Nandun tayo, a few minutes andyan na, no?
So ngayon, nakita mo yan, palagay mo ba, mas maganda itong casino na to compared sa Amerika?
Well, may laban
May
yung mga
laban,
casino
no?
rito. Oh.
Oo.
Pero in terms of size, parang malaki pa mga to eh. No?
Hindi,
Ang laki.
sabi mo nga kanina, biggest in the world eh.
Kaya nga, that's what I'm telling you.
May documentation ba yun?
Hindi, hanapin natin.
Sige.
Hanapin
Hindi,
natin.
tapusin muna
Pero
natin
just
ito.
by looking at it, no? Yung mismong casino itself, after visiting Las Vegas casinos as well,
Oo.
di ba, parang lumalabas, malaki tong casino na to.
Kanya nga eh.
Oh.
Kaya si Paring
Eh,
Boy, ayaw nang tumigil magpakuha ng photo eh. Oh.
Eh, based dun sa nakita natin, ilang hotels ang nasa loob ng casino resort na to eh. May Marriott,
I
may
think there are five. I think
Ritz-Carlton,
there are
may
five.
Banyan
Oo,
Tree,
oo, oo.
may Okura, di ba?
Pinagsama-sama lahat.
Pinagsama-sama at saka may kanya-kanyang building yun. Pero that's within the casino resort. Kaya ang laki eh.
When you say all, nasa Galaxy lahat.
Nasa Galaxy lahat.
Under different brands.
And yung hotel.
O ikaw, tignan mo muna yung kainda ni Bichik.
Uy, ang ganda ng lalaki din siya. Ang ganda ng asawa talaga.
Napaka-sweet niyo lagi eh. Lagi kayo nag-holding hands. Parang si Paring Boy, laging holding hands eh.
Ganun ba?
Oo. Alam mo, sabi nila, pag tumatanda na, wala na raw holding hands eh.
Ganun ba? Hindi.
Nawawala yung pagiging sweet eh. Oo, ikaw eh, mula bata hanggang pagtanda mo, gusto mo, hawakan mo talaga yung kamay eh.
Hindi nakikinig yata.
Ayan. Pero talagang napakaganda.
Yeah.
Impressive talaga. Ito na yung last part ng video. Sabi nga ni Enteng eh, tama na, uwi na tayo. Sabi ni Boy, hindi, gusto ko pa.
Kita mo si...
Si Boy gusto pa eh, si
Boy
Enteng,
tsaka si
uwi
Edwin, ha?
na. Oh.
Terno pa sila.
Oo, ayaw. Pare, ano ba gusto mong gawin dyan?
Wala.
Halikan mo?
Masaya ako eh.
Uy,
Siyempre.
pare, hinalikan mo talaga. Nagpaalam ka ba, pare?
Of course. Hindi na kailangan, hindi na kailangan.
Ayan, si paring Enteng, pare. Ayan. Sabi ni paring Enteng, paano ako kikis? Wala akong date. Solo ko. Solo siya, pare. Kanya yan. Sabi niya, hindi, sasali na lang ako sa group picture nyo.
Ayun. Inahalikan niya, no?
Oo. So maraming salamat sa iyo, Mr. Rafi Di Malanta. So our tour of this very luxurious Galaxy Hotel is almost done. And as you can see, you're surrounded by so many branded products like Rolex, Chanel, name it, they're all here. So many brands you can choose. And by the way, there are about 5 or 6 hotels within this Galaxy complex. It's a very beautiful property owned by the Galaxy here in the new Macau. Most of the hotels here in Macau are all 5-star, and they're all very elegant looking, as you can see. This is just one of them. Wow. Ito na yung Paris Hotel ba? Wow, look at this. Ang ganda naman.
Kita mo to, boy.
Grabe bang hotel dito sa gabi. Talagang talagang Las Vegas na Las Vegas ang dating. Oh, ayan na yung Venetian, no? Wow. So we're going to enter the Venetian. Okay, that's Mr. Boy. So this is the Venetian Hotel of Macau. With Enteng, Bichik, and Rafi. Sama-sama. One big family. Oh, baka, okay, one big family. Smile. Okay, that's good. Okay, so the reason why we're here in the Venetian is because we are supposed to take the bus going back to Hong Kong. Tama ba, pare?
Yes, that's right.
That's why we're here. We went here, Rafi, only because we have to buy tickets, right?
Yeah.
Going back to Hong Kong.
right.
And this is where you get the tickets here at the Venetian.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, we're already here. We might as well take some video of this very unique hotel, which is actually patterned in Las Vegas. Another picture? Wow, you're too much in love. Okay, dyan lang. Smile. Oh, ganyan lang. Okay, smile. Okay, good. Oh, wow, this hotel is amazingly beautiful. Look at that. And you want to enter the casino, just go straight ahead. One more look at this beautiful hotel in Macau. Oh, wow. Come on, Rafi. Give me a good smile. Yan. Ganda. Okay. This is where you get your private boat. The best part is the gondola ride. That's why it's well known. So, are we ready to go home or we're still going to enjoy this place? Ano pare? Uwian na ba tayo? Oh.
Hindi mo marate.
O yan. Okay. Sige. Okay, ako na. So this is the famous place if you want to go to a casino, which they call the Venetian. It's a very unique place. And if you want to have a souvenir photo, you can just go here and they take you a nice photo. And one of the stores, they have a gondola there. That's the gondola right on top. Okay, goodbye, Venetian Hotel. Bye.